Raspberry Pi just launched a 10-inch touch display for $80. Wall-mounted dashboard goodness. But it only works with Pi 5. I've been testing it for a week. Here's what you need to know before you buy. The display is crisp, 1200 by 1920 native portrait, 224 ppi, 400 nits brightness, IPS panel. Colors pop. Viewing angles are solid. The 35 milliseconds touch response is good enough for taps, swipes, and on-screen keyboards. You can run a full desktop without a mouse or keyboard. The setup wasn't instant. Fresh Pi 5, fresh SD card, first boot, nothing displayed. I had to update the Pi's firmware via SSH. That's a step most beginners won't know. Once updated, it worked perfectly. Build quality: 16mm thin, anti-glare coating, driver board integrated into the enclosure. The DSI ribbon cable is fragile, be careful when inserting. The GPIO power cable sticks out awkwardly. You'll need a case, or a 3D printed mount to make it flush against a wall. Who is this for? First, home lab enthusiasts. If you run Home Assistant, Grafana, or any monitoring stack, this screen is perfect for a dedicated dashboard. $80 vs a $250 Android tablet that you have to hack to remove bloatware. Second, small business owners. Digital signage for restaurants, clinics, shops. A Pi 5 Plus, this display plus a simple web app costs about $150 total. Commercial digital signage screens start at $400. You can undercut them by 60%. Third, makers and educators. Build interactive info kiosks, museum exhibits, or classroom learning stations. The touch interface eliminates the need for a keyboard. You can deploy these for under $200 each. The catch: Pi 5 or compute modules only. No Pi 4, no Pi 3. If you have older boards in drawers, they're useless here. But Pi 5 is widely available now at $60 to $80. What not to do: don't buy this as a tablet replacement. It's meant to be mounted and left on. Don't expect gaming performance. Touch latency is fine for taps, not fast games. And don't try to use it with Raspberry Pi OS Lite. You need the full desktop image for the touch driver. Opportunity for Moroccan builders. This is your chance to prototype low-cost hardware products for local markets.